Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Samsung Pay on phone, pro tips step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your Samsung phone. Locate and open the Samsung Pay app. If you do not have the app installed, download it from the Google Play Store. Once you open the app, tap on Get Started. Sign in with your Samsung account credentials. If you don't have a Samsung account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Next, you will need to add a payment card. Tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. You can either take a photo of your card or enter the details manually. Follow the prompts to enter your card information. After entering your card details, tap on Next. Your bank may require you to verify your identity. Follow the verification steps provided by your bank. Once verified, your card will be added to Samsung Pay. You can also add multiple cards by repeating the process. To set a default card, tap on the card you want to use most often. Now, let's enable biometric authentication for security. Go to the settings within the Samsung Pay app. Tap on Security and choose your preferred method, such as fingerprint or face recognition. You can also set up a PIN for added security. Next, familiarize yourself with how to use Samsung Pay. To make a payment, simply swipe up from the Home button or open the app. Select the card you want to use. Hold your phone near the payment terminal to complete the transaction. Additionally, check if your preferred stores support Samsung Pay. You can view your transaction history within the app. Always keep your app updated for the latest features and security improvements. Explore additional settings to customize your experience further. This wraps up the basic setup process for Samsung Pay on your phone. If the page does not load, refresh the. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.